Right, good evening everybody. Welcome to this week's update for Great Yarmouth photos and webcams on YouTube. Next video is going to be Saturday morning. So if you keep an eye out for that, and then after that, the next video is going to be on Tuesday. So it's two planned videos for this week, so keep an eye out for those. I'm releasing about 3 or 4 what are called short videos, which are up to a minute long. So there will be some more of those coming on as well. So if you keep an eye out for the shorts as well, please. So what's happening in Yarmouth? The fireworks was last night. Anyone see the fireworks? If you want to let us know in the comments, please. See what you thought of the fireworks. Perhaps you might have seen them on the webcams even. Fairground frights at the Pleasure Beach. That's running at the moment. Every day until last day is going to be Sunday. For the fairground frights. It's 5:30 till 9 every evening. The Pleasure Beach is open in the afternoon as well, but the fairground fright starts at 5:30. So obviously keep an eye out for that. Joyland's open every day as well, up until Sunday, I believe. Then both those do close then for the rest of the year, until the next season next year. The Model Village, I believe, is open an extra week. I'm sure I've seen a message on their Facebook page saying there's going to be open next week as well. So anyone going to Yarmouth next week, because I know some schools, the half term is next week, not this week. So if you're going to Yarmouth next week, the Model Village, I believe, will be open. As well as many of the other attractions will be, such as the arcades will be open, and many of the sort of shops and the shops on Regent Road will be open as well. If you're watching this video and you've not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out. It's much appreciated. If you could subscribe, it's free. Hit the notification bell as well. You get the notifications when the next videos are coming on. That'll be fantastic. If you like the videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up as well. Give us a like. Hit the thumbs up button now, please. If you're watching, that'll be great. More of those I get, it pushes it out to more people. So that'll be fantastic. And just leave us a comment. I'll try and reply to them, as many as I can. That'll be brilliant if you can reply to, if you can leave a comment. Anyone going to Yarmouth next week? Are you going over the winter, or are you going at Christmas, or have you booked your 2024 holiday perhaps? If you have, if you want to tell us where you're going, what hotel you're staying at, which ones do you recommend? Or perhaps you used to stay at a hotel or a caravan park or a Shelley Park years ago, which you want to share your memories with. Don't forget, I am on Facebook as well. So if you're watching all the videos on the YouTube channel and you're on Facebook, just pop across to Facebook, search for Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams on Facebook. And there's over 21,000 followers over there, and growing every day. So if you can pop across and give us a follow over there, please. Give us a like, that'll be fantastic. And I also believe from next month, I think the parking's free. Definitely the on-road parking is. So if you are coming to Yarmouth, it won't cost you as much to park. Quite some of you have mentioned about the parking on the seafront, how expensive it is. If you do go into the Marina Centre car park, yes, it is very expensive. So I advise you not to park in there. I think they just obviously want that for their customers. The on-road parking and the other on-road, the other car parks on the seafront are much cheaper than that. Or you could park past the pleasure beach, past where the new hotel is, on that end of the seafront, and then it's actually free. You don't have to pay at all. Right, thank you for watching this week's update. As I said, keep an eye out for the videos coming over the next 7 days, and I'll speak to you this time next week.